Mina-ke angazi ngathini nge-defense because manje the very same goal ile goal leli elesishaye sidlalana neMarumo.
Maromo sure, yeah.
Manje akusho ukuthi wonke nje ama-goal sohlala sishaya ama-cross. I mean uyacrosselwa ucross usemva komigweli message ayikho same thing angazi noma ba-communicate because uyamtshela man away hera uyi-1 yabona i-message leyo njalo at least umuntu uzokwazi ukuthi yaswitche on ma akukhulunywa phela lo muntu uzitholele ibhola ayi-1 free header ukwini kuzamile ukuthi uyakhava lapha lethothi uyacross umuntu uvunduka nje la vunduka khona uthola nje free header. So meaning communication azange bekhona.
Talking about ukumesa we-riding because minutes after bakade ukukora you guys got i-penalty abaningi bayal-dispute but we'll check so faka i-video ephansi lokhu idlala while we speak about it. We saw Lilepo amesa i-penalty. What did you think nge-riding ngegame kaLilepo? Because you also see uLilepo uthatha ama-free kick. Most of them are off target or maybe aphezulu mara never straight ku-keeper. But what did you think why aloku amesa i-penalty Vandag?
Ashinama ngumuntu ojwayele ukukora ama-penalty. I think uthe maqeda ukumesa le penalty leli wavela waba off wafuna yonke into like ufuna ukupheka le nto kanti bekumele uvela wabakhambi mfethu udlala
uModi ucreate i-riding igoal agayo uShabalala scored a beautiful goal and sambona azama ukukora elakhe naye. What did you think ngegoal kaShabalala?
I mean i-composure kaShabalala it was perfect. Ukwazile like I think wonke amagoli uthi if ever njengoshabalala Vandag le game kuba siwine nje kamnandi. Think enye into esishayile game besigijimisa kakhulu man because igame yonke since siphethe amaZulu siwadlalisa half ground of which some wazange sibe neplan yokuthi sokora kanjani or yini like yonke into man it was harsh yonke into it was harsh yonke into ijahile akekho nothi relaxisa igame nyana at least ukuthi sizama ukwenza lezi zinto le
performance Vandag. And earlier you spoke about uNgcobo after performance yakhe ya Vandag. Do you think umuntu ongamqala vele ukuya phambili?
uNgcobo from kudala mfethu mina I wish ukuthi vele ahlala aqala ama game because uyakwazi ukuread igame uyakwazi ukushaya lama-pass lawa because mangathi uyabheka esikhathini esibhaya besiwathola ama-chance through ubani uNgcobo uyakwazi ukudlalisa umthetho in fact because iba khona lento le umthetho at least Vandag ukwazile ukushaya ama-forward pass into besihlala sikhala ngayo when it comes to ukumaka ibhola ukuthatha ibhola nje hayi lapho ngomka 100 yonke into ayenza excellent uNgcobo.